nights don't get around, but there's something about you.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're doing a cleaning routine video. I'm just gonna do like a weekly cleaning routine, and I'm going to do my timer today. So if you have been following the previous series, I kind of put a timer for 30 minutes, and I usually do like one room each day so that I kind of get throughout the whole house in a week. I will link below all of the, the playlist of all of the videos in this series, but today I'm not going to do a specific room. I just kind of want to tackle a few things here and there in each room. So I'm going to put a timer on, see how much I can get done in 30 minutes. I have a few things on my list that I kind of want to get through. We'll see how much I can actually get through today, but yeah, I'm excited for this video. I hope you are too. It is such a nice, like, crisp autumn morning. It's my absolute favorite. Yes, I do hope you kind of enjoyed this clean and hinge with me, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to start in the kitchen. As I said, I do have a bit of a list of things that I kind of want to get done today, so I'm gonna start by putting dishes away. These are all clean. I had the dishwasher running this morning, so I'm just gonna put those away, and then I kind of want to clean the sink a bit, give it a quick shine, and then spray the surfaces in here, and then also the floors. So let's start with the kind of countertops, and then I'm gonna move to the floors as well. So let's put on the timer. Okay, so I've got 30 minutes. Let's go.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us.
Okay, so the surfaces in the kitchen are all nice and clean, did the sink. So I'm just gonna move on to the floors, and I'm really excited for this because I have a new floor cleaner to show you today. So I've got this new floor cleaner from BISSELL, and this part of the video is kindly sponsored by BISSELL. I was honestly so pumped about this because it's not just like a regular Hoover or anything. It hoovers and mops and dries at the same time. Like, how cool is that? So it's basically like doing the cleaning in half the time, because obviously you don't have to go twice on the same surface. You don't have to hoover and then mop. You just do it at the same time. How cool is that? So I was really pumped about this. We've been trying it recently, and even my husband is obsessed with this. He says he's actually going to do, hoovering and mopping at the same time a lot more often, because he's not, like, he would sometimes hoover but he wouldn't really mop, but with this he can actually do both at the same time. It's just got a button for hard floor and then another for area rug, because it also works on all surfaces. Like, you can do it on tiles, on wooden floors, any type of hardwood floor. You can do it on a carpet, on an area rug. So it is pretty amazing, and it comes with this multi-surface solution. So you can, it even says you can use it on wood, tile, or rug or carpet, and it's pet and family safe, which is obviously great for us because we do have a child and we have another one on the way. Little baby is coming, and I'm honestly excited about this because even just after this breakfast, like, I don't know about your kids, but my child cannot eat Cocoa Pops without spilling anything on the floor. Like, it's inevitable, some of it will end up on the floor. So this makes the job so much easier because I can just hoover and mop at the same time, get it all nice and clean. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works because I think it's pretty amazing, and I just know it's going to come in handy so much when this baby comes and we start weaning, because my child is now 4 years old. He's going to be 5 soon, so his messes are a bit better now. But with a baby weaning, I remember it's just so messy. So I'm really happy to have this in our life now. I just love the fact that it's cordless as well. I don't like having cords around. I feel like it's just so much easier, so much more convenient to just grab it. It does have a charging station, which I will show you in a second as well, and it's really easy to assemble as well. Like, I took it out of the box, and I'm gonna be honest, I was kind of scared it would be kind of like a complicated process to get the hoover and the mop. It's so easy. Like, you just put these in. It's got this container that you put clean water in with the solution. So you just make a mix of them and put it in here, and then you just pop it back in here. And yeah, so just put the parts in and that's it. It's super easy, and then you've just got the 2 buttons, either for hardwood floor or for a rug. I mean, it's so easy. It's also got 2 tanks. So it's got this one in the back, which has got the, you know, the clean water with the solution, and then it's got this one down here, and that's where all the dirty water goes. So you never get dirty water back into the mop. It just gets clean water every time. So I think that's brilliant, and I do feel like it lifts more dirt from the surface. Like, I think with a regular mop you wouldn't be able to get such a deep clean. So I really love that, and it's cordless, but it does last quite a while. I think it goes up to 25 minutes, which is brilliant. Like, it's plenty for me to do our house. And yeah, it's just so handy now that, you know, autumn winter is coming. We're gonna be spending so much more time indoors, so it's gonna be great for keeping our house cleaner. It's easy to handle. I really love how it kind of stands up on its own, so you just need to do the click back if you want to use it, and then you can just click it back forward and it stands up on its own, which I really love. And again, it's got the clean water there. I actually need to fill it up, and then the dirty water comes in here. It's got the little brush thingy, which all of these parts, like these and the roller and everything, comes out, so it's really easy to clean, which I really love. And yeah, so I will link down below in the description box where you can get the BISSELL CrossWave floor cleaner. It's really amazing. I really love it, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean our floors with it.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, honestly, you're annoying.
Okay, so my kitchen is done. I am going to move into the living room now, and I have a few things here that I want to do. This is the current state of it. So I'm gonna first of all tidy up all the toys, kind of straighten up, and I also want to kind of dust, hoover, everything like that. So let's go ahead and do this.
Show me your love like it is, and open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So I'm gonna tackle this kind of mat that we have at the entrance. This is kind of a high traffic area because we usually come in this way, so there's like, I think there's grass and dirt. Anyway, I'm gonna use this and just gonna put this on area rug and I'm gonna give it a go. I think that looks so much better, and it also uses the solution if you choose to. So it's got this button right here that you press when you want the solution to go onto the carpet as well. Yeah, it doesn't just hoover, it also kind of deep cleans as well. So I think that's pretty cool.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how? I played for you, I was scrappy, but you sang along and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still.
The living room is looking so much better. I have got 6 minutes left. I managed to do windows and kind of dusting here as well. So in these 6 minutes, I think I'm gonna go around and hoover in here and then also clean the rest of the floors downstairs. So it's just kind of like the hallway and we have a downstairs toilet. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this.
But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how? I played for you, I was scrappy, but you sang along and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you.
And that is me done for the day. I feel like I got quite a bit done in just 30 minutes. And I do think the floor cleaner helps because I don't have to, you know, hoover then mop. I just do it at the same time. So yeah, that's how much I could get done this morning. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to check out the BISSELL floor cleaner, which will be linked in the description box. And yeah, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.